All in on three. 1, 2, 3.
All in!
Shenandoah has so many opportunities for students. So this year we're working the College Football Championship game. Next month we're going to work the Olympics in Pyeongchang, South Korea. We're going to work the Final Four in 2020, the Super Bowl in 2019 here in Atlanta. So if you want your student to go to Shenandoah and get real life, real world experiences, we are the spot, we are the place to go.
In the next couple of years, I see myself moving up in the board of the Sports Business Club. Right now, I'm the Director of Communications, and I'm also looking to go on more trips, get more experience under my belt, continue to brand myself for my future career.
As far as event management, this definitely, hits home on some things that I'm interested in doing, and it just helps with resume building, with career building.
It's what I want to do. I want to be involved in sports. Sports has been my passion since I was maybe 11 years old, and I kind of hit the ground running with it, and it hasn't changed. And sports is what I want to be a part of, and just all these wonderful opportunities have opened my eyes to just an amazing area and industry. I love it.
There's a ton of media stations here, CBS, Fox, CNN, all here. It's really, really crazy. Everybody's running around trying to get interviews in here. And it's just a great atmosphere. I think we're all having fun here and learning a bunch.
National Championship 2018, it's a wrap.